Hello guys, review POCO C75. This version 6GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Open box and look completion. It's global version of this device in the green color. Okay. In completion we have only Type-C cable and key for SIM slot. It's all completion. In global version, okay. We have display 6.88 inch, very large display. On this side slot for SIM cards, on this side power button and volume buttons, big camera, double camera LED, upside headphones jack, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone. Okay. Open settings. About phone we have Xiaomi HyperOS version 1.0.4, Android 14. Display we have IPS 120 Hz, HD resolution. Open Geekbench 6. HD resolution display, Mali G52, this GPU and CPU, MediaTek Helio G88 Ultra. Look results, single core score, multi-core score, GPU test results, and look Antutu benchmark. Antutu benchmark results, okay, close this. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see these photos. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.